Hi everyone, Jay here again. Today we're going to be talking about how to get more familiar with your more self-compassionate voice. And so for this, it's called How Would You Treat a Friend? So for the first thing you're going to do is going to take out a sheet of paper and answer the following questions. Firstly, think about times when a close friend feels really bad about themselves and struggling in some kind of way. And now think about yourself when you're feeling your best energy-wise, that you can kind of sit with your friend and listen to what they're talking about. How would you respond to your friend in this situation? Please write down what you would typically do or say and note in which the tone that you typically speak to them in, how your voice might sound when you're saying things to them, or just how you're able to be kind to them and things of that nature. Once you've written that down, now the second question. Now think about times when you feel bad about yourself or you're struggling. How do you typically respond to yourself in these situations? Write down what you typically do, what you say, and note the tone that you speak to yourself in this situation. After you've done that, now go and look at the difference. If so, ask yourself why there's a difference. Why do you find that sometimes you might be harder on yourself than you are on your friends? What factors or fears are coming out that play into leading yourself to be difficult or hard on yourself? And notice the thoughts. Notice the immediate reactions that you have to this question. Do you hear voices or memories from people in your past that have said certain things about you, or beliefs that you've come to hold about yourself, that you're not worth it, that you'll never be smart enough? Those are usually the things that play into us becoming depressed and anxious, because we feel like we have to now mask those feelings. And so we'll do so many different things to not actually sit with those emotions. Finally, please write down how you think things might change if you responded to yourself in the same way that you typically respond to a close friend when you're suffering. After you've done that, start sitting with ways that you can try treating yourself in that way you treat the good friend, and see what happens with your life. I think that there's a lot of power when we begin to treat ourselves with kindness versus holding these really, really high standards for ourselves. Our perspectives tends to shift on just life, our environments, our relationships, and our of ourselves. Have a great day. Bye.